All right, good morning everyone. I hope you're all fine. So let's start the class without wasting any more time, right? The rest of the participants can join in later. I'll just take the screenshots for the participants so that you don't have to worry about the attendance later, right? All right. So yes, let's begin. So students, first I am going to, finish yesterday's topic since a very hardly 5 or 10 minutes of job was left, right? So I don't want to drag it till the next theory class you have. So we'll just quickly go through that, right? So here we have this. Okay. Okay, so if you remember, we were discussing sentence structures, right? So today, just because we were discussing sentence structures, let's also talk about clauses. Right, so now what is a clause? In very simple words, clause is a part of a sentence, right? It is not a complete sentence. However, it also includes a subject and a predicate. Now, what is a predicate? Predicate is usually a verb and few words with it, right? She went to college, so इसमें she is the subject, went to college is a predicate and उसमें went is a verb, right? So clauses are अब इधर मतलब दे आर काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस बट एट टाइम्स दे आर नॉट कंप्लीट सेंटेंसेस राइट वो पूरा एक सेंटेंस नहीं बनेगा उसका सिर्फ एक पार्ट होगा ठीक है जैसे अभी हम इधर पीछे बात कर रहे थे इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इज देयर जॉन कैनॉट सेट अप हिज टाइपराइटर बिकॉज द वॉल हैज नो आउटलेट तो जॉन कैनॉट सेट अप हिज टाइपराइटर इस सेंटेंस की बात करें तो इसमें ये एक क्लॉज है एंड इट इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज right? Now I just want to give you a quick overview of clauses, right? What kind of clauses are there? So we have adjective clauses which tell us what kind or which one. Now it's very simple. Don't need to worry about it. Adjectives जैसे verbs होते हैं हमारे words होते हैं, right? Similarly, adjective clauses are similar in nature, right? So they also tell us what kind or which one. So they start with that, which, who, whom, whose, before, since, when, where, why. ठीक है. So an example, let's take an example first and try to understand. The sun never shines on days when I can enjoy it. Right? So on which days does the sun never shine? Days when I can enjoy it. So ये बता रहा है कौन से days. So this would be an adjective clause. Right? We ate cookies that were made from rice. So what kind of cookies did they eat? The ones which were made from rice, right? So these are set off by commas only when meaning is not essential to the sentence, right? तो अभी कॉमा इधर तो देखो जरूरत ही नहीं है लगाने की, इट्स कमिंग आउट टू बी ए कंप्लीट गुड सेंटेंस, राइट? सो वी एट कुकीज. तो इसमें जो ये वर्ड दैट है ना इधर, इट एक्ट्स एज एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज, राइट? और दिस होल इज दैट वर मेड फ्रॉम राइस. ऑल राइट, सो दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज क्योंकि ये कुकीज को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. ठीक है, जैसे जो एडजेक्टिव होते हैं वो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, दे आर अ सिंगल वर्ड, राइट? लेट्स से दिस इज अ वंडर एंड इंटरेस्टिंग बुक. So interesting and book is a noun, interesting is the adjective there, right? Similarly, now this whole clause, all these words are describing the cookies, so they become an adjective clause, right? I hope that is simple and easy to follow. You can let me know whenever you feel something is being, getting too technical or beyond your, understanding. Just stop me right there and I'll try to simplify it further. All right. So now let's talk about the adverb clauses. Now similarly, adverb tells us about the verb, right? Add plus verb. So ये verb को describe करता है. Similarly, here also the adverb clauses would begin with where, when, in what way, or to what extent, under what condition or why. So ये सब जो describe कर रहे हैं clauses, they are adverb clauses, right? So list of subordinating conjunctions are after, since, when, although, so, that, whenever, as, supposing, where, because, then, whereas, before, that, wherever, but, that. ठीक है, ये सारे these are the words. Now let's take a look at the example. I will help you with history whenever you ask. Right? So when would he help? Whenever he is asked. Right? So these three words would become an adverb clause. He ran as if he had a twisted ankle. So how did he run? As if he had a twisted ankle. So this would be the adverb clause. Now Jean wanted to stay longer because the band was good. So why did she want to stay longer? Because the band was good. Okay? So if clause is at the beginning or in the middle of sentence, it needs to be set off by commas. ठीक है, अगर तो clause beginning या middle of the sentence में आ रहा है, then we use commas. Now again, don't worry about this. Once you will read that kind of sentence, it would be clear to you that yes, here a comma is missing or a comma is required. All right. So next we have noun clauses. Yes, I will, Vishakha, I'll discuss that as well, that what kind of questions you are going to get from this topic. All right. So now let's take a look at the noun clauses. Now the noun clauses function as a noun. वो पूरा जो phrase होगा ना वो एक खुद noun की तरह function करेगा. So let's take a look at that how. So this is whomever you bring will be welcome. Now this is describing one person, that तुम जिसको भी लेकर आओगे, right? So वो एक person को describe कर रहा है. So these three words become a noun clause. The nomad can find whatever water is in the desert, right? So whatever water is working as a noun here, right? So whatever water is in the desert, this whole is a noun clause. The teacher gave whoever presented an oral report extra credit. So extra credit किसको मिला है? Whoever presented an oral report. All right. So this is describing the one person. So this is working as a noun clause. Then we have the big question is whether he will be allowed to play on the team. So big question को कैसे describe किया गया? Whether he will be allowed to play on the team, right? So this is also a noun clause. Then we have they store their food in plastic or whatever containers they have. ठीक है? अब now don't worry about these variations here. ठीक है? What is important is that you understand what is a noun clause. All right, so these are few more examples of complex sentences, right? Contain at least one independent clause and one dependent clause. So she will go to school in the city until she finds a job, right? So until she finds a job is a dependent clause. She will go to school in the city is an independent clause. थोड़ा कल का आपका रिवाइज हो जाएगा. You remember, right? Complex sentences, compound sentences, simple sentences. Then we had a hybrid of two compound complex sentences, right? So here, when I first moved to the city, now we have a comma because ये शुरू में ही clause आ रहा है, right? I was afraid to drive the steep and narrow streets, right? So dependent clause is in the beginning, so we would use a comma here, and then the rest of the sentence would follow. Now next we have compound complex sentences. So these consist of two or more independent clauses and one or more subordinate clauses. So independent clauses minimum two होंगे और एक dependent या subordinate clause होगा. ठीक है, अब इसमें हम example देखते हैं. After a year, the first child is born and the baby receives the name that the doll was given when the bride was married. So okay, I thought this is a one complete sentence, but it is not. So after a year, the first child is born. ठीक है. So this is a independent clause. Baby receives the name is also an independent clause. Dependent clauses, the doll was given when the bride was married. Okay, so this is a bit confusing. I'll just check this. ये वाला example इतना अच्छा नहीं है. In the other PPT, we had a very good example of this kind of sentence, right? If you remember, we had that sentence. Since we were getting bored, we decided to go to San Juan and we spent the whole night dancing. ठीक है? तो इसमें since we were getting bored is a dependent clause क्योंकि वो since के साथ start हो रहा है and since we were getting bored ये एक अलग में sentence exist नहीं कर सकता. It doesn't make complete sense, right? So we went to San Juan city. ठीक है? We went to Chandigarh. In our context ये हो जाएगा या we went out, right? And we danced the whole night. So that is also an independent clause. We went to Chandigarh or we went to a party, that is also an independent clause. जो शुरू में है since we were getting bored is a dependent clause. तो इस sentence को पूरा process करेंगे तो it turns out to be a compound complex sentence since we have two independent clauses and one dependent clause, right? Okay, so can you tell me which sentences are these? So let's talk about the first sentence. Diamonds and pearls are mined in different places. हाँ जी बच्चे. What kind of sentence would this be? Yes. All right, let me check. All right, so Vishaka says it's a simple sentence. Same with Vishal and Pradeep. You guys are right about it. So this is a simple sentence. ठीक है? Simple, very diamond and pearls are mined in different places. इसको हम और तो break down भी नहीं कर सकते, right? So next we have when the lights went out, we felt extremely uneasy, but we always knew that morning would eventually come. हाँ जी बेटा इसको ध्यान से पढ़ें. When the lights went out, we felt extremely uneasy, but we always knew that that morning would eventually come. हाँ जी. Okay, so Tamanna says it's a complex sentence. Pradeep says it's a compound sentence. Anybody else? Yes? Okay, so we have the right answer. It's a compound complex sentence. Yes, you are right. So see, इधर notice करते हैं. When the lights went out, ठीक है? We felt extremely uneasy, but we always knew that morning would eventually come. ठीक है? तो इसमें independent clauses कौन से हो जाएंगे? We felt extremely uneasy, right? We always knew. What did they know? That the morning would eventually come. ठीक है, तो ये भी जो we always knew that morning would eventually come, this is in itself a complex sentence, right? सो यहाँ पे ये इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस हो गए कि वी फेल्ट एक्सट्रीमली अनईजी, ये भी डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, दिस इज अ डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज व्हेन द लाइट्स वेंट आउट। तो इसमें काफी पार्ट्स ऑफ सेंटेंस हैं, सो यस invariably it would be the hybrid we talked about, a compound complex sentence, right? So let's come to the third sentence here. No one answered the phone when she called us. So what would that be? Yes बेटा, जो compound complex है ना, it is हाँ जी a mixture of both, right? हाँ जी, so yes, we are getting correct answers for this as well. All of you agree that this is a compound sentence. No one answered the phone when she called us. And what was the easy trick to get to know that? Very simple. आपने उसको break down करके देखना है. अगर तो दो proper sentence बन रहे हैं, then it would be a complex, it would be a compound sentence, right? Beta, this would be a complex, sorry. It was my mistake. This would be a complex sentence. How? Let me tell you. जैसे हमने किया था ना कंपाउंड, तो उसमें हो जाता है डिवाइड इंडिपेंडेंट में, ठीक है? इसको आप इंडिपेंडेंट दो सेंटेंस नहीं बना सकते. नो वन आंसर द फोन, फुल स्टॉप, शी कॉल्ड अस. सेंस नहीं बन रही ना. नो वन आंसर द फोन व्हेन शी कॉल्ड अस, दैट वुड बी अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, राइट? द डॉल दैट द ब्राइड कैरीज डज नॉट हैव आर्म्स. ठीक है, अब इसमें हम क्लॉज की बात भी कर रहे हैं. Yes, this is also a complex sentence. The doll that the bride carries does not have arms. All right. So moving further, we have, I think yeah, this must be some name, right? So either this doesn't seem to be a name, but it is supposed to be a name. Stan read the book Friday. He wrote his essay today. Right? So he read the book on Friday and he wrote his essay today. Yes, this is a compound one, क्योंकि सिर्फ हमने इसको कैसे ज्वाइन किया है, सेमीकोलन से. All right. So I think once I will share one practice exercise with you. उसमें काफी क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी कि कौन सा क्या सेंटेंस है, ठीक है? And also I will share this PPT with you today. So just a quick revision of what we read so far. We discussed the different types of sentences, right? So we had simple sentences, we had the compound sentences, these were the three ways of joining two logically independent clauses and make one compound sentence, right? Using a semicolon or a conjunction. Then we had these few conjunctions, and this is a good mnemonic to remember them. Then we talked about, that this is also how it is a simple sentence, even though it has one of the conjunctions here. All right. Then we discussed what are complex sentences. Then I just gave you an overview of the various clauses which exist. All right. Then we discussed what are compound complex sentences. ठीक है? So these are easy to distinguish क्योंकि इसमें इतना कोई है नहीं है. You are able to tell कि which sentences are compound complex one, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही लंबे से होंगे, तीन चार different parts को इकट्ठे join किया हुआ है, right? So that would be clear that it is a compound complex sentence. All right. So that was all for this. Now I will give you a practice exercise from this point, from this topic. And I think I'll also, include some questions or some exercises, fill in the blanks from the topics we have discussed earlier, which is articles and prepositions. So that exercise can work as an assignment for you. Is that okay? My voice is not audible? All right. Is it because of the fan? I think that the fan makes a lot of noise. Let me just switch it off. Is it better now? हाँ जी बच्चे. All right. So now I think our theoretical part is over. Now we can start with what I planned for the lab. So are you okay with another group discussion? I feel that is, but I want specific people to reply in this one, because wahi same set of few, 5-7 students, they reply, they put forward their views, the rest of the students don't. Alright, so what we will do in this class is, I am going to give you the topic, right? I'll give you 5 minutes, 7 minutes to think of various points related to that. And then I am going to take names, and that person is supposed to share what he or she feels about that topic. So is that okay to you all? हाँ जी बच्चे. So will that work for you? Alright, so I have few students who are okay with this idea. Right? And yes, another point, very important point, is that you have to avoid sending me your views through the chat. Because the idea of the lab class is that you get to speak in the language, we get to practice this language. Right? So yes, because आपके जो views होते हैं, they're really correct. You write correctly. However, I don't know why you hesitate to speak them out and you send to me in the chat instead. ठीक है, सो हम ऐसे करेंगे, वी हैव टू ट्राई मैक्सिमम ये ट्राई करना है कि आप उनको बताकर मुझे, यू जस्ट स्पीक इट आउट, राइट? ओके, अभी टॉपिक बेटा, वी डिड नॉट डिसाइड ऑन अ टॉपिक येट, सो आई थॉट अ गुड टॉपिक वुड बी online versus offline classes, since you guys are going through this. You may check your chat. ठीक है, आप इसके बारे में जो भी सोचते हो, whatever you feel, you are supposed to write it down and then you can share it with me. ठीक है, pros, cons, if you want to conclude, that is also up to you. In the meantime, I can just mark your attendance from the list here. ठीक है बच्चे, take your time, think of the points you can say. I hope the topic is clear to everyone. हाँ जी बच्चे, I am just pausing the video for 5 minutes. Right, you can take your time and think of the points, and then after 5 or 7 minutes, we will start with the group discussion. Let's take just 5 more minutes and then we can begin with the group discussion, right? Alright students, just once attend to your roll call. I want to confirm the absentees. Right, so is Manav Goyal in the class? Yes, Manav Goyal. Not here. Prince. Alright, Prince is also not in the class right now. Then do we have Monica? Is Monica in the class? No, right? Then do we have just Karan Singh Sidhu in the class? Just Karan Singh? Not here. Inder Kumar. Inder Kumar is not here either. Chandan. Is Chandan in the class? Alright, so Chandan is also not here. Alright students, so we can now begin with the group discussion, right? And now I'm going to take names from the register. I'll just pick randomly 2 or 3 people and I want to know their views about it, right? So, okay, let's talk about, okay, so Arun, Bhardwaj and Neha. Hanji,
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, are you here? And Neha, you are here as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And we have Pavandeep Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. And we have Nakul as well. Right? Hanji Nakul. Am I audible to you? So first I want to know the views of these 4 students. Okay, Pavandeep, what do you think about online versus offline classes? Hanji बच्चे. Yes, Pavandeep. Pavandeep, would you like to tell me? Hanji. Hanji, बच्चे, we are waiting to hear from you. Network problem is there, then you may, okay. No, but I was able to hear you right the first time around. So why don't you try speaking? Let's try. देखते हैं क्या कितना मतलब how much is the disturbance. All right. So Pavandeep has probably left the class. So Arun, why don't you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji. So what do you think about classes, online versus offline?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think offline class would be better than online class
All right.
because in online class I am not interested to think about something.
Okay. Yes. Kindly matlab elaborate. Just elaborate a bit about why do you think that way? Why do you think offline class is better?
आपसे online classes. Yes, ma'am. ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में अच्छे से समझ में भी आती है. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वहाँ पे कुछ अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आ पाती है.
All right.
वैसे मैम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस इन दिनों में सही है लेकिन मैम इंटरेस्ट नहीं बनता है मैम मेरा.
Okay, so you think matlab online classes tend to be more monotonous or tedious, right? Because there is no real interaction taking place, so it is not easy for you to keep your attention in the class. So that was your point?
यस मैम. मैम
Okay.
फैमिली वाले भी साथ में होते हैं तो थोड़ी
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Yes, so there is this issue of background noise as well. Right now, it is not possible for you to find a
Yes,
quiet
ma'am.
place all the time. There are times when the family
Yes,
is
yes.
sitting next to you. Okay, so I get your point. So any other point you would like to add?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's hear from Neha. Yes, Neha, what would you like to share about these online versus offline classes?
यस मैम. मैम ऑफलाइन क्लास बेटर होती है. हम कुछ चीज समझ सकते हैं, स्टूडेंट से भी पूछ सकते
Right.
हैं ऐसे.
And what else?
मैम बस यही.
Okay, so you feel there is better understanding in offline classes. So this is why offline classes are better.
यस मैम.
Okay, so let's now hear from Nakul. Are you in the class? Yes, Nakul. All right, so Nakul is not here. Okay, so now I'll come to the other class and I want to, hear from the students who you don't usually speak, right? Other than that, of course, I like that we have good group discussions and some of you are really vocal about what you think. ठीक है. So, but बच्चे Ishant Sharma is here. Ishant is in the class. Yes, Ishant.
Yes, ma'am. Good
All
morning.
right. Good morning. Yuvika is in the class as well.
यस मैम.
All right, Ishant and Yuvika. Now you tell me what is your stance about online versus offline classes.
Ma'am, according to me,
offline classes are way better than online classes
All right.
because in online classes I don't get such environment which is suitable for study,
Right.
and I can't focus on the class properly.
Mm-hmm.
And if I have any problem about any topic, I can't share with friends like I can do in the class during offline classes.
So yes, there is this issue of, interaction being limited, right? It is being curtailed in the online classes. Okay, beta, so if the class ends
Yes,
in midway, do join after a 5-minute break, right? So the class is about to end. Rather, I'll end it. So, and we'll pick up from Ishan.